The top story this time, very interesting, comes in from Karnataka, and this is about our leaders in Karnataka, a state that is facing a cash crunch. They cannot pay their welfare schemes. Despite ranking highest among all these categories, the MLAs are demanding a hike in their salary. So while they are expecting everyone else to not really push for the guarantees in the schemes right now, a total of 31 MLAs in Karnataka possess assets exceeding 100 crore rupees. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has declared a wealth surpassing over 1,400 crore rupees, ranking him as the second richest MLA in India across the country. As per a report by the Association for Democratic Reforms, Karnataka leads the country in the number of billionaire MLAs. Andhra Pradesh follows in second place, 27 billionaire legislators. Maharashtra ranks third with 18. But Karnataka tops this list. So I reiterate again, very interesting. Karnataka tops the list with the richest MLAs, followed by Andhra Pradesh and then Maharashtra. And interestingly, it is in these states that right now in Karnataka, where in total, the assets of all these MLAs amount to be about 14,000 crore rupees. It's all about money. And then these MLAs now want a hike in their salary. Sagai Raj joining me for the latest on that. Sagai, I'm only looking at the irony of this case this morning, but tell me about this pay hike. I don't think the Karnataka MLAs are paid very poorly, that they are demanding a hike at a time when there is barely any money to pay for the guarantee schemes and welfare schemes.
Absolutely. The priorities has been placed for the public representatives in the state of Karnataka because there are a lot of pending amount which should be paid for the beneficiaries in the guarantees. And apart from that, even if you notice that they are also collecting, hiking prices of electricity, water and various other things instead of try to compensate with the money that they are trying to get as a hike as a salary. They are demanding more money. And if you notice that the ADR, the report which has been submitted, has clearly stated that around 31 MLAs are the billionaires from Karnataka, and these are the same MLAs who are demanding a salary hike.
All right, so we'll be tracking all that and more. Remember, there are, of course, additional, the kind of reimbursements, everything that will be included in these hike, as in when it happens. But Karnataka MLAs clearly feel they deserve a hike, even though their constituents may not be able to really right now be able to go ahead with the salary hikes.